Vlogmas Day 2. In today's video, I'm filming my Vlogmas intro. And you may be thinking, girl, shouldn't you have done that the first day of Vlogmas? Yes, I should have done that the first day, but I thought I will be showing a lot of my decorations in this video, so why not do decorating the first day and second day filming my intro. So I will be filming this all on my own. I'm in front of the mirror right now because I will be doing my makeup for the scenes I will be doing. The first scene, the opening scene, will be of my Christmas tree and some decorations. The second scene will be me dressed up in front of the mirror or doing some fancy stuff, doing some whatever comes to mind. And the third scene, what do I have? The third scene is me dressed up in front of the Christmas tree. I don't know what I'm going to wear yet. I have in my mind what I'm going to wear. And the last scene and the closing scene with my PJs in front of the Christmas tree, and the closing scene is walking to my chair and opening my laptop. So that's a bit what I have on paper, but it will come out right, you guys. I hope it will come out the way I have it planned in my head. So let's begin. We're not going to talk any further. I'm going to do my makeup now. I won't be doing something fancy because I can't do makeup that well. I'm just going to do a light, soft makeup. So watch me do my makeup. I like to start with my eyebrows, so I'm going to do my eyebrows first. The foundation I like to use is Black Opal. This works for me. I got the e.l.f. palette right here, so we're going to work with this. Setting spray, my concealer. So that's the easy makeup I'm going to do today, you guys. Nothing fancy. For my lips, I like glossy lips, so I will be using the NYX Butter Gloss. I already have that on my lips, and lately I've been loving this with liner, with dark brown liner around my lips. Makes me look so good, so I will be trying that for this video. So yes, let's start. I have been having a bit of a breakout. Let's moisturize the skin. For moisturizer, I'm using the CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and this is what it looks like. I will be applying that on my skin. for hair and makeup. So guys, now it's clothing time. I don't know what I'm going to wear yet, but I do have a red, I think, jumpsuit, and that's going to go perfect with the hairstyle. I do want to put on lashes. I'll try to put on lashes, guys. My jumpsuit, oh, it's right here. This is for the scene in front of my mirror. It's going to look so cute. It's a jumpsuit. And my PJs. These are my PJs. I'm going to wear in front of the Christmas tree. And I think I need another set of clothes, and I think I'm going to wear this. It's just a long sleeve top. I'm going to wear this set of clothes right now and film the scene in front of my mirror. So this is me in the first set. You guys, I don't have hips. So we're done with scene number 2 or 1, I think, but next scene is in front of the Christmas tree, and I'm going to wear this top. No, I'm going to wear my Christmas sweater. Thank you, Jesus. I decided I'm not going to wear this green top no more. I just remembered I got a ugly sweater, and I'm going to wear this ugly sweater in front of the Christmas tree. So that is scene number 3, I think. Yes. So I'm in my ugly sweater. So cute. I want a scene with hot cocoa, so I'm not going to make hot cocoa right now. I'm just going to pour some chocolate milk and then act like it's hot cocoa, and I'm going to stand in front of the tree. A short clip. Okay. So my room is in shambles right now. On to the last scene, my PJ scene. That is, y'all, a whole mess, but I hope the shots I took, the footage I took, can turn into something nice. This is what I'm going to wear, and let's wear it now. So now off to the last scene. I'm in my PJs. This is the last scene. I'm going to sit in my chair and watch a Christmas. I'm gonna sit in my chair, watch a movie, and that's my closing scene. So I'm so excited to see how it turned out. So let's get to filming. So you guys, I filmed my last scene, and I'm gonna show you what the results are. So here are the results.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with.
I don't think you got it. Let me show you one more time.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with.
So you guys, that was it for this video filming my YouTube Vlogmas intro. I had so much fun doing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the link with everyone you know so we can experience Vlogmas together. And tune in for tomorrow's vlog. See you till then. Bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video.